Hey, Gita. All right, what do we have here?
This is Patty. She's a 3/4 boar goat. She gave birth yesterday morning to a little buckling who came from 100% boar goat, which makes him a 7/8.
Look at those feet.
Oh, let me get in there and show you the markings here.
Ah.
His markings are just so cute.
Okay.
Now this is Lydia.
Lydia, how you doing, Lydia? Oh, Lydia.
She's 100% boar goat, and she was bred with 100% boar goat. So we got a little doeling, which is 100% little baby. Is she cute or what? So they were both born about an hour apart yesterday morning.
Uh-huh.
I know, that's your baby. Yeah. Oh. They make the cutest little sounds.
Here's a little male there.
This is the little male. We haven't named him yet. Look at those markings.
Amazing. Those little feet.
What? Look at them. They are just the cutest little thing.
Well, you're gonna be famous, guys. You're gonna be on YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What?
Seen by the goat people all over the world.
There you go.
Well, you guys did a good job.
And we got our border collie right here. And our Morella. Oh, yeah.
So I understand the coyotes are still out and about, huh?
Yeah, I know. And that's what keeps them at bay right there. Our Morella. Gita.
Gita. You're a good dog, Gita.
She's a good dog.
Okay. All right.
She's a